Why estimated taxes matter for freelancers.
The freelance developers and designers don't have taxes automatically withheld from their pay. As a result, they are responsible for estimating and paying their own taxes, typically every quarter. Failing to handle estimated taxes can lead to unexpected bills and penalties when tax season arrives. Understanding this process is key to staying compliant and keeping your finances healthy.
Who needs to pay estimated taxes?
Self-employed professionals and freelancers are usually required to pay estimated taxes if they expect to owe $1,000 or more in federal taxes for the year. This includes income from client projects, contract work, and even side gigs. If you receive payments directly without any taxes taken out, you likely need to pay estimated taxes.
How to calculate your estimated taxes.
Start by estimating your total income, expenses, and deductions for the year. Subtract your business expenses from your gross income to find your taxable income. Use tax rates for self-employment and income tax to estimate what you'll owe. Dividing this amount by 4 gives you the quarterly payments. It's a good idea to review your numbers each quarter in case your income changes.
When and how to pay estimated taxes.
The estimated taxes are typically due in 4 quarterly installments: April, June, September, and January. You can pay online, through the IRS website, by mail, or through various authorized payment systems. Mark these deadlines on your calendar to avoid late payment penalties, and keep records of all payments for your records.
Tips for managing taxes as a freelance tech professional.
Track your income and expenses throughout the year and set aside money regularly for taxes. Consider using accounting software or working with a tax professional if you have complex finances. Staying organized not only makes tax season easier, but also helps you avoid surprises. Planning ahead means more time to focus on your projects and less stress about taxes.